So I've mentioned the plant press a few times, and the plant press is a very low-tech device. We've been using it for a long time in herbaria, in plant museums, and basically all it is two pieces of wood like this to provide a strong frame, one on the top, one on the bottom. There's already one down here. And then a whole bunch of sandwiches of corrugated cardboard. The corrugations help air to flow through and wick away moisture. There's pieces of blotter paper as part of each sandwich. They help to soak up moisture. And then a piece of newsprint or newspaper that has that piece of the specimen. So the newspaper doesn't really help with the drying much, it's more for keeping track of the material. But I've been stacking these up as we go on top one of these wooden frames. I'm going to put a little bit more cardboard and another wooden frame on the top. I'll line it up a bit. And then these white straps, they're basically ratchet straps. So I'll use two of them. First, I'll just tighten it kind of loosely. And then I'm going to press down a lot harder. I might actually even put it on the ground and kneel on it a little bit and remove a lot more of the slack from these straps. We want to keep the samples stationary as they dry, and we also want to keep them nice and flat. The press will get a little smaller as it dries, as the plant tissue loses water. So as we have them tight here today, when I come in tomorrow, they'll probably be a little bit loose from that loss of water weight in the plant. Okay, so I can try to move it around. It doesn't readily move. So this is ready to go into the dryer.